This tutorial will guide you through on how to zoom in and zoom out fast in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you have your video clips on your video timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, go to the top left hand screen and click Effect Controls. Go to the top left hand screen if you don't have this and click Window, and make sure Effect Controls is marked or highlighted. Now, assuming you want to zoom in fast on this video clip, go to the beginning of the video clip, make sure motion is selected and highlighted, and then click the position or this bubble or this circle icon, and then scale. So they're selected and they're color blue and highlighted. As you can see, it added a keyframe. Move this to the right, so the video clip you would like to zoom in fast, and then go back and click motion, make sure it's still selected and highlighted. And then underneath the position, if you go over here and move this to the right, let's say we wanted to zoom in here, and then underneath scale, if you click this and drag this to the right, according to your will and your desire, go back to position. We're going to adjust this like so. If you click this and drag it to the beginning or to the left, you have now successfully zoomed in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you want to make this faster instead of this coming in slower, let's say right here, click, highlight and select this with the left mouse and drag this over here. So now we have zoomed in successfully faster. Or if you want it even more faster, you can drag it more to the left. Same concept applies if you want to zoom out fast. Go back, click motion, click this keyframe, click this, and it adds another keyframe. Drag this to the right, click the position, drag this to the left, click scale, and now we're going to drag this to the left instead of to the right. See how it scales out? You can click the motion, you can even drag it back on the screen. And now you have successfully zoomed in fast and zoomed out fast in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free.